Excuse me, could you help me find a perfume?
Of course. Are you looking for any specific brand?
Not really. I would like to try a few different ones.
Sure. Do you prefer floral, fruity, or woody scents?
I think I like floral scents. Can you recommend something?
How about this one? It's very popular and has a light floral fragrance.
Let me smell it. Oh, I like it. What is it called?
It's called Spring Blossom. Would you like to try another one?
Yes, please. Maybe something a bit stronger.
Here is Midnight Garden. It's a bit more intense but still floral.
This one is nice too. How much does it cost?
Spring Blossom is $50 and Midnight Garden is $60.
I think I'll take Spring Blossom. Can I pay with my credit card?
Yes, you can. Would you like it gift wrapped?
No, that's okay. Just the perfume, please.
Great choice. Let me ring that up for you.
Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. Have a
Follow for more.